Hi friends in the fight, thank you so much for agreeing to be a part of this. We are thrilled to launch the Mighty Pack, which I've been using and testing for the better half of the year. So we're so excited to get your input on this and share this with your followers. I'm going to go through with you how the bag works and how you can customize it for your needs. So really the secret sauce with this backpack is the hidden medical compartment. Ta-da! So I personally use this backpack when I'm traveling with my medical supplies, but then also when I'm hooked up for about 2 to 3 days for IVIG. So first I'll show you the features, which are also applicable for someone who is tube fed or needs to hook up other IV medication. If you can see the detailing here on the bag, this is actually so sharps and needles can't come through. And if you did have sharps or needles, you could keep them separate and making sure everything is super easy to clean. From there. So if you are using the Mighty Pack for a wheelchair, we did a lot of user testing and we want to make sure the straps are extremely comfortable. If you are in the type of wheelchair where you don't have a back on the back of your seat, that this bag would be very comfortable for you. You can also hang it off of any kind of mobility aid or simply just place it on a hook. So these straps are extra padded. I'm someone who has worn this bag up to 6 hours a day, not a problem. One of my favorite features is that it converts to be a little bit easier to hang off of the wheelchair for you. So you'll see this extra D-ring, that is what it is for. So both of straps just make it a little bit easier to hang off of the back of a wheelchair, making it more comfortable for you, making it easier to access your bag. And when you don't need it anymore, or if that is not your preferred comfort level, you can always just switch it back. It's pretty easy. So we hope you love this bag. We can't wait to see the videos that you create, and I'm looking forward to being your friend in the fight. Thanks.